All right, you got to explain. Why did you put that radio in that car?
That radio was in there.
$50 to who can guess what this is? Nobody knows. You know how I know? He doesn't even know. He owns the car.
He looks good in the car, man. That's probably the main reason. He looks good in the car.
Okay, who's dating who here?
Well, he doesn't have his other friend here to vouch for him.
That car's worth more than a Tesla.
Even go with the Tesla thing with you. I'm just get right to the bread and butter of it. Would you get rid of this car for a battery operated car?
Hell no. Different. So I found this car in Green Bay 3 years ago, and I've been having fun ever since.
How did you know this was the car for you?
Well, I've had this since I was 11.
For 1,000 cheese in control.
Looking good.
Looking what?
Yeah, looking good.
Booms Customs, we back just to give y'all some footage. You know what I'm saying? Anybody can make a console out of wood, but to get them shapes and designs, you know what I'm saying, I use that fiberglass. So 80% of the time, my center consoles are made out of fiberglass. Little box Caprice going back to Michigan. Like I say, I put that glass on them the last.